naked. I'm wearing something. Yeah, that's proof. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I tried to film so many times, but it wasn't working out for your sister. I filmed last night. Oh my god. Here's some of the footage from last night, because last night was a disaster trying to film. Literally a disaster. So we're bringing back the cat ear. I have a feeling my mom's gonna knock on my door right now. As expected, my mom knocked on my door and she said we're going to eat, so can't film. Gonna try to when I get back. Bye. And then when I did deep blue makeup look, my eyebrows came out so bad. Anyway, so I'm gonna film something. I don't know what eye look. I want to do a very intricate eye look. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this because I feel weird. I don't ever wear. I wear ew, okay, I have body acne. I'm gonna go change. This shirt is very low cut, but it looks like I'm wearing a shirt, so we're Gucci. I just literally washed all of my brushes. I'm gonna hope they're dry so that I don't flop for the millionth time this week. As you know, we're gonna go into this baddie. A hottie, a baddie. Okay, and then I'm gonna do literally the only red eyeshadow I have, which is right here. So I don't know if you guys know, but I'm starting a new technique that I found somewhere on Instagram. It's basically packing and then blending, so I'm gonna pack this red. My channel has been growing amazingly. I'm trying to get to 200 subs by the end of August. If we can do that, I literally hate myself. Bye. If not, like, that's totally chill too. Like, I want to, that's my goal. But also, that's like 25 whole subscribers, and that's like 2 weeks. It's 2 weeks. That's like, yeah, 2 weeks to get 25 subscribers, and I don't know if that's like doable for someone like me. I started growing hella after I met all of my YouTube friends. I love them so much it hurts. Like, I love each and every one of them. They're so cute. They're all so beautiful, so nice, so sweet, so supportive, like funny, cool, chill people. Like, I wish that bro, I done messed up this palette. Look at her. She's a little, ooh, look, she got a little crack. Hi, ring light. I'm gonna go in with a Morphe M518 brush. I'm gonna take this neon orange shade right there with the pan thingy showing. Yeah, and I'm gonna blend. I don't really know what I'm doing, like, at all. Like, I don't know. I basically am winging this, which scares me because recently I've been having to practice literally all the looks I film. So if this doesn't turn out alright, I will probably, most likely, definitely, infinitely will have a breakdown. Hashtag wash your brushes, sister. I applaud you if you like truly, like, fully actually wash your brushes after every use. You are the GOAT. You are the GOAT. Sister, you really out here prospering. If you're like me, I don't wash my brushes until I feel it's necessary. Which could range from like 2 weeks to 3 weeks. Nasty. But I'm pissed because I wanted to do a playlist video so bad. And I filmed a playlist video, but I looked disgusting and I was being really dumb and cringy. And I was like, I'm not posting this on the internet. Then go back in with some of that red shade. Oh, tea. Let's spill some tea. But like, not all the way spill it, but like spill it. You know what? Let's not. Let's just talk about karma. If you're a fake person, I hope karma rises from her throne, from wherever her sister is at right now, watching all of us suffer. I hope karma just awakens one day and just obliterates the shit out of you, because some people are just so fake. I can't. Triggers me how fake people are. Hate every single fake person that I know of that is on this website, on other websites. That's all I'm gonna allow myself to say, because I feel like I'm really gonna ruin someone's career. Oh, and I don't even know if I told you that I blended a little tiny itty bitty witty titty witty bit of this yellow also into this. So yeah, I'm really actually very bad at explaining what I'm doing in my tutorials, and I'm so sorry. That's why no one will ever recreate any of my looks, because I don't know how to perfectly explain stuff like Nikki Tutorials or Manny MUA or like anybody really that's actually a proper makeup guru. Gonna go back in with the M4 or whatever, no, M518, sorry. I'm gonna do a little bit. Oh wait, is that green? No. Just a little bit of shallow. First of all, why am I bringing this up so high for? Who am I? Going to go into this baddie. Everyone who knows me knows that I fuck with this palette the heaviest. Like, sister, if you don't own this, for why? Like, for what reason? Why don't you own this? Literally go buy this like as soon as you possibly can. I went broke to buy this, so no excuses. No, I'm literally kidding. I'm so annoying. I'm gonna use the Morphe M321. This is like a bullet crease brush. I don't know. I'm gonna take, I don't know. I'm gonna take this color right here. Oh my god, the other day I was looking at this shade and really analyzing it, really just wondering, and I thought that looks like straight up shit. That looks like cat puke. And then I turned it over. By the way, mind you, I was filming a tutorial, which that tutorial is annihilated because I don't know how to film, so that video is out of the question. But then I looked on the back of this, which first of all says, why would you print the names on the back of this and then you print it backwards? Like, I would think that because this shade is right here, this shade is called Creamsicle, I would think that it would be printed right behind it, right? But no, this is Queen. Creamsicle's all the way over here. That is Creamsicle. So this is like really confusing, but I was looking at the pukey. I'm talking really fast right now. Am I James Charles? I was looking at this pukey shade, which is right there. And then I looked back here and this shit is called Pukey. I'm Raven Simone. That's me. Like, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this one. I finally made my decision. And literally putting so much, oh my god, no, just kidding. Not putting that much because makeup low-key intimidates me. I think my mom's lurking outside of my door. And then I'm gonna blend this with the red. I don't know if this is gonna make any difference. I'm hoping it's gonna make it like a little darker. I almost dropped my sister Jaclyn palette. I don't like Jaclyn Hill. Can I pronounce her name? No. I don't like Jaclyn Hill actually, like at all. Like at all. I just don't, but I continue to buy her collaboration makeup for whatever freaking reason. I actually have no self-control. Every time she comes out with something, I feel like it's just so pretty to resist, and then I end up spending my coin on it. I'm saying that like I buy literally every product she comes out with. The only products I've bought from her is this and that one highlighter that was like really hyped up from a while ago. Mind you, I have a Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Golden Flower Crown. I will never stop hyping this up. I will not stop talking about it because it is just so good. It needs that recognition. Low key, I like my Golden Flower Crown highlighter by Wet n Wild, which is $5 at Walmart. Better than I like my 42 highlighter. My 42 highlighter, yes, Juliana. My $42 highlighter from Becca. So Annika Chonika is coming out with music, I suppose. I heard this in my group chat. Can we talk about my pet peeves? Because a lot of people have been really testing me lately. Just for the hell of it, just for shits and giggles, let's go in with some of this Creamsicle shade right here and blend it even further up because I literally want to ruin this eye look, of course. I have a lot of pet peeves and people just really like to test me, so can we talk about them? One of them is when I open the freaking door for you and you go through like you're some type of princess and you don't even turn around and give me a thank you. Sis, you don't know how bad that pisses me off. Out of anything you can do to me, that is probably one of the worst things. If I open a door for you, say thank you. Have manners. Were you born by wild animals? Were you raised, can I talk? Were you raised by wild animals? Like, why are you not saying thank you right now? I've concluded that I need to blend out with a clean brush. This is in the style. This brush is in the style. This brush is called the V5, Vegan 5, I'm assuming. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take the time to credit my friends Rosie Rebozo and Francisco Valdez because they've been bothering me all week to mention them in a video, so here's that. Yeah, I'm surprised that my last video got 100-something views in like 2 days, which if you haven't gone and watched it yet, link in the description. I don't know why I got 100-something views already. I'm not that great. Like, y'all really hype. You guys steady stay hyping me up. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. I love all of the support so much. It's just so cool that people actually support me. Like, what a concept. Honestly, what the frick. Oh, of course, I just started cutting my crease without telling y'all what I'm doing. But I'm cutting my crease right now, which I don't really have a method for this. I just kind of do it. And most of the time it doesn't come out great, but sometimes I'd be like, damn, I really did that. So I'm gonna go cut the rest of this off camera and then I'll be right back. I'm scared I'm gonna ruin it, so bye. F me, I freaking cut it too high. I don't know what the frick was the point of putting all that red on my eyelid. I really don't think things through, but I think we should go in with a shimmer shade from this palette, if not this palette. Oh, I know what to do. I'm gonna take the Masquerade palette by Juvia's, just kidding, Juvia's Place. I don't know what I'm talking about. And then I'm gonna go in with, look at all these pretty colors, by the way. Oh, that's cute. I'm gonna take the most basic one, which is this gold one on the corner. This is called Dahaya something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna put that all over the lid. And I'm gonna use this e.l.f. smudge brush for that. I filmed a whole ass playlist video and the audio actually wasn't bad. And I had to delete it because I was being so like I didn't want you guys to see that side of me. Okay, looks like we're not using this brush because it's literally not working out. I'm gonna wet this Morphe. I'm using way too much Morphe and I'm not sponsored by them. I'm gonna use the Morphe M167 and spritz it with, oh my god, I hate the smell of this spray. It smells like freaking lavender and I don't like lavender. But yeah, spritzing it with lavender water. Can I talk? Damn. And then I'm gonna take, you already know what I'm taking, then let me shut up. So you guys see that painting back there? I want my friend to paint me something else, but he's being difficult about it, so whatever you trick to be. Almost dropped this. To be real, that feels actually super duper fooper whooper tuper heavy, but you know, that's makeup for you. I'm gonna do some glitter. Yes, bitch. I'm gonna fight someone if this doesn't look good, so y'all better pray. I'm gonna pray for myself. I'm gonna take the Glitter My World, whatever bulk glitter is glitter. I don't know. Still don't know. This is in the shade Orbit Orange though. It's really pretty and it's definitely not, oh look at that, a nut, right? I'm gonna like line the outline of the cut crease with glitter primer, glitter glue, whatever, and then I'm gonna smack this glitter on and we're gonna do a little speed through. Oh my god, I dropped it.
Pussy got that wet, got that JoJo, got that super soak. I hit that she a Phoebe, honey, Kiki.
This eye came out a little whack, but I'm gonna do some liquid liner because I feel like it and I think it'll complement this look. So I'm gonna use the NYX matte liquid liner like I always do. I don't know if I'm gonna film it. Y'all can go watch my eyeliner tutorial on my channel if you want to go see. The eyes are finally done. This eye always looks jacked up. I'm sorry, I don't know, I suck, but I used Cocoa lashes in the style Girl About Town, and now we're gonna move on with La Face. For the lower lash line, I'm firstly gonna go into these yellow shades, or this yellow shade. Well, basically I'm dumb and I lost literally most of the footage, but all I did after that was blend orange on my lower lash line and then blend some of the red on the outer corner of the lower lash line, so yeah. And there you have the finished look. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, subscribe to my face. That beeping is gonna... Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Like this video if you want to. Love you. Bye.
Yeah. Yep, that's me.